As I mentioned previously, the exercise is fast-paced and it ends when the participants run out of ideas. Once the index cards are up on the wall for everyone to see, the next step is to begin organizing and trying to identify topic areas and putting them into specific categories. You will all, as a group, look at all of the various topics that have been produced as potential topics for the course, and you will begin to see if there are any recurring themes. So, for example, if this were a brainstorming session for the topic that we discussed in the prior session, which was developing an orientation training for new employees for an educational institution, then you would look at the topics that have been outlined that are actually up on the wall and see if you see any recurring themes that would begin to fall into logical order for purposes of creating an outline, which is the next step. So using the ideas that are on the board, you should, as a group, see if there's anything that is missing or a topic that was forgotten. If so, continue to write on index cards and put them up. Then the next step will be, as I mentioned, is to try to make sense in terms of creating an initial outline or order based on the topics that have been presented. For example, if we were talking about this training for new employees, new employee orientation, we would be looking for common themes such as organizational policies would be one topic. Another category or topic might be departmental knowledge and information, and that is by department within the organization. So if they need to learn about the admissions department of the institution, if they need to learn about the student services department, etc. So you would start to identify categories of topics that will result in your initial outline. Now, once you have all worked together to organize the cards that are up on the wall in a way that looks like sections of a course, then you will take that information and you will create an initial outline after the brainstorming session is over. Before the group is dispersed, explain to them what the next steps will entail. Now, in the next session, we're going to talk about what the process is or next steps are going forward.